Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to share something with you today that's not only practical but potentially game-changing if you're trying to make money online. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or hyped-up launch. This is something that taps into a real-world need that people are already searching for. And the best part is that it's something you can start using and profiting from right away. Now, if you've ever looked into private label rights, or PLR, you probably already know the value of being able to take ready-made content, make it your own, and sell it as your own product. But let's be honest, most PLR out there is outdated, poorly written, or just not something people want. Today, I've found something different. This is high quality, professionally written, and it's in one of the hottest digital niches out there right now. Let's talk about digital preparedness. It's something that's on more people's minds than ever before. We live so much of our lives online these days. Think about your bank logins, crypto wallets, cloud storage, social media accounts, even access to your phone. If something unexpected happened to you, would your family or business partner be able to access everything they need? For most people, the answer is no. And that's exactly why the digital emergency kit niche is exploding. People are looking for tools, checklists, and guides that help them get their digital lives in order. They want peace of mind. They want to know that if the worst happens, their loved ones won't be locked out of everything important. And that's where this PLR package comes in. What I love about this product is that it's not just a single ebook. It's an entire business in a box. You get a full-length, well-researched, and beautifully written ebook that walks readers through how to organize and prepare their digital assets. You get the source document so you can make any changes you want. You can even rebrand it with your own name and logo to make it truly your own. But that's just the start. You also get a professionally designed sales page and download page, so you don't need to worry about web design or copywriting. There's a set of stunning e-cover graphics included as well, along with the source files in case you want to customize them. And to help you bring in leads, there's a lead magnet and squeeze page already created. Again, with editable files so you can put your own spin on it. It even comes with a series of promotional emails that you can plug into your autoresponder. That means once someone downloads your free report, they'll automatically receive a follow-up series that builds trust and encourages them to buy your main product. That's how real online businesses work, with funnels, lead generation, and automation. And this package gives you all of it in one place. Now, maybe you're just starting out and haven't made your first dollar online yet. That's okay. This package is designed to help you skip the hard part of product creation. You don't need to write anything from scratch, hire a designer, or spend weeks trying to figure out what to sell. It's already done for you. All you have to do is plug it in, make it your own, and share it with the people who need it. Or maybe you're already a digital marketer and you're just looking for your next product. This is a great way to add something fresh to your lineup without investing a ton of time. Use it as a main offer, bundle it with your existing products, or offer it as an upsell. You can even use it to build out a membership site or offer it as part of a course. The possibilities are endless. And don't worry, this isn't just about selling a product. You're actually helping people. You're offering them peace of mind, organization, and a sense of control in a world that often feels chaotic and uncertain. That kind of value builds trust, and trust leads to long-term customers. This PLR package also comes with a full license. You can sell the product as many times as you want, and you keep 100% of the profits. You can even translate it, publish it in other formats, or use it offline if that fits your audience. Just remember, the only restriction is that you can't give the main product away for free or pass on the PLR rights to others. Everything else is fair game. If you're looking for a smart, simple way to build or expand your online business, this is something worth checking out. The niche is timely, the content is excellent, and the offer is backed by a money-back guarantee. You really don't have much to lose. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, take care and keep building.